As a requirement of most fire alarm systems, offsite communication is a necessity. Let's take 2 minutes to learn more about some of our performance-based options looking at cellular. So performance-based simply is technology not covered by NFPA 72. However, if that technology can meet the requirements of 72 and be listed for use, we can utilize it. Now, this allows for rapid adoption of newer technologies such as internet and cellular. Cellular can be utilized as its own standalone option communication method. 72 does permit the transmission of signals over single or multiple paths. So as a single path, your cellular network is going to have to utilize or have 60-minute supervision of that path. If you're using it in conjunction with, say, like a DACT as a secondary path, though, this becomes a multiple path, which is permitted to have 6-hour supervision. So you got some options. Now, the way that cellular works, you'll have your signal go from the panel to the cellular communicator, which then is going to send its signals out to the cell towers. From there, signals are going to go from the towers to the intermediary facility and then transmitted over to the monitoring station. Added benefit with cellular communication is it's a wireless system, so not much in the need of wires for it. Some of the downside is that because it is a wireless system, inside larger buildings, you may have problems with some kind of connectabilities. So ups and downs with that. So the way that your communicator is going to work is through its capture method. And you have three different options when you have your capture method with cellular. You've got dialer capture, you've got data capture, and you also have relay closures or contact closures. Depending on which one you go, you may be looking at a compatibility, and it could just be how many outputs does my panel need. But those are going to be the three different options that you have, with your dialer capture being the most universally adopted, data capture looking at possibly do I have enough outputs, and lastly with your relay contact closure, which is going to be most economical but is only going to provide less information. If you're looking to learn more, have I got an opportunity for you? This year in Las Vegas, we will be holding our first ever National Training Conference, October 15th through the 17th. We're going to have multiple training class options available. If you're interested, if you want to learn more, you can log on to the website, nationaltrainingcenter.com/conference.